We won already. We playing with the house's money. It's only one way to explain that. It's too good to be true.
This is such a privilege to bring SMP with PMU. It's super hard to break through with SMP into a category like microblading. It's been around for a long time. Obviously, you know what good scalp micropigmentation looks like, and that's where we're pushing. You want to do the best of the best in microblading, SMP, and that's why we're here to support you. When you're beginning doing this, you don't know if they're going to be good dots unless you have experience to see what a good dot's supposed to look like. This is a universal hairline where it could be accepted all over the globe, and that's why people take our training.
Too much money and power, walk up in the spot, a bunch of steppers, we talking the chopper. Too much money and power, hustling 24 hours. Niggas wanna see you lose when you're making moves. We bringing tools in any rooms, we try to break the rules. Niggas is haters, they ain't goons, we try to make the food. I never thought I'd make the fourth.